Teaching for me is not just the words teacher. I think being a teacher also stands for being a proponent for the academic success of your student. When I was younger, I didn't believe in myself to the fullest capabilities, and I had a lot of role models in teachers that really showed everyone the joy of seeing what one person can succeed in, and a lot of that inspired me, and I want to kind of give back to the students what my teachers gave to me. The impact I personally hope to make is that at the end of the day, the students feel confident in themselves. And I want to be someone that is a proponent for their life, not just academic success. I want to be able to be there for them outside of the classroom.
I think Dylan can have a huge impact on students' lives. He's very passionate about science. He really cares about teaching, and he's already, making those bonds with the students that really helps him be a better teacher.
My experience at UD's Teacher Ed program has been nothing short of excellent. The first chance I had to have in the classroom was freshman year. UD is very good about getting you into the field very early, and that kind of helps you develop this sense of yourself and your own teaching style. You are in there to learn, to understand, and to adapt and figure out what you can do to be the best teacher you can. This year has been the very big one of you were the full-time educator. It is now time for you to show what you've done over the 4 years, and it's been very unique. I've been able to teach freshmen, juniors, sophomores, seniors. I've had the whole age range of teaching. All this culmination is what being a teacher is gonna be like, and I truly do love doing it. I personally don't know where I wanna end up yet, but I do know that no matter what, I do wanna be able to help people, make sure that no matter what, the students get the education they deserve. When you're in the classroom, you will get to learn and you will get to be the best student you can be. I want to be a teacher.